Hello, this is a guide on how to use the Quicker app for your child's recess and lunch payments. Click on the app and type your email address in, then press Sign Up. Fill in your details and set up a password, then click Accept. A pop-up will show to add a card. Click on the green button to add your card and fill in the details. Once done, click on Add Card. The schools nearby will now show up on the screen. If Playford College does not show up, use the search key at the top of the screen to type in Playford College. Click on the school and add profile. The profile is your child's details. Fill in accordingly, then click Add Profile. Once completed, the recess and lunch menu will now show up. You can order food for this week and the week after. Click on the day you would like to order and the menu will come up for you to choose the food. The hot foods will appear for the lunch menu as well as other options. The different categories of food are on the top bar. Recess orders have to be in before 9 a.m. and before 11:30 for lunch if it is for the same day. Click on the food of choice, make your adjustments if needed, and add to cart. If your order is completed, then you can press Checkout. A reminder, if you have more than one child, to click on Profiles next to Menu and add their names. Thank you.